In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your logo to your website, both in mobile and in desktop version, and how to change it and how to choose the right size for your logo. To do that, we need to update in two places in our website. One is in the theme editor, and another we can update from the branding tab assets. First of all, we will go to the theme editor, and as you know, as everybody know that our logo always appear in the header. So we will click on the header section. When we click on the header section, we will see at the right side a menu, right side a setting, where we can see main logo and mobile logo. So if we do not upload any logo, by default our store name will appear here. But if we have a logo which I already prepared for this store for this purpose to show you, so we can upload it from here. Click add logo. As you can see, I make ready all my logos here. uh, you can also make ready your logo as you want. So I'll choose the logo for the header, add to header, and it will appear here. We can choose the sizing for the logo, like if I want a large size, so I make it update from here. I can change the size for the desktop and I can change the size for the mobile. Let us see it on the front website how it look like. As you can see, the logo is looking a little bit larger size in the menu tabs, so we can update that also as per our need. Next, we can upload another logo for our mobile, because the mobile screen always smaller than the desktop screen, so we can choose a different square logo for that purpose. So now, to view before I upload, I can see the mobile view how it look like and save it, and again see how it look on the front side. So now you can see the logo on the mobile screen, and you can change the sizing as per your need from here, from the back admin theme section. Like you can enlarge the logo or you can make it smaller as you want. The next part is to upload our logo in the Favicon section and other social media related section. We can go to the assets. Here we can upload our default logo, the same logo which we upload there, and we can keep it to be appear in the different section, different places in the uh, different properties. For example, in the Favicon, for example, if we share on social media something, how our logo will appear there. So we can keep the square logo here also, and we can then test it how it look like. For example, if I save this logo, now you can see here at the top side of the browser, if I go to the front website now, here it will change. Maybe sometime it will take time, but it will change here. As you can see now, it's already changed here in the Favicon. So this is how we can upload a logo in our website.